Welcome back everyone. Do you want to enhance photos like this? Then this video is just for you. Today I will show you how to enhance photos using Picsart app. At first make sure you press the subscribe button and give a like to this video. So, let's start our tutorial video. Join my Telegram channel for Picsart Pro version. Telegram channel's link is given in the description.